If you touch me.
Stand in the car. Step out of the car, man. Come on, step out. Get out of the car.
You're gonna harass me?
No, relax, okay? Relax. Go to your phone.
I'm not. I have the rights to call my husband.
Stop tensing up. Stop.
I want you to call my husband right now, though.
Listen,
you called him about 30 times already.
Stop pulling away. It's not going to get you anywhere to do that. It's only going to make it worse for you.
You're gonna beat me?
No, we're not beating you.
Everybody here has video cameras on their chest.
Yep.
Everything that has occurred from the start to finish is on body camera.
On October 5th, 2025, at 1:11 a.m., a late-night patrol found a Chevrolet Traverse facing the wrong way in traffic. Should a driver's claims of knowing high-ranking officials grant them special treatment during a DUI stop?
Drives up 31012. Can you turn off the car for me?
Yeah, of course.
You do realize you're in the wrong lanes, right?
I do. I was just looking for a number.
Where are you coming from?
North Palm Beach.
North Palm?
Yes.
What were you doing over there?
That's where I live.
Where are you coming from, though?
I had to drop off a friend
Where?
in North Palm.
Yeah, you're on the wrong side of the roadway.
I know that. I was looking for a number.
Why would you be on the wrong side of the roadway, though?
Because I just pulled off to the side of the road.
Yeah, you're not on the side. You're in the westbound lanes, and you're facing eastbound.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I apologize.
Can you give me the keys, please?
Why?
Give me the keys, please. Give me the keys to your vehicle.
I don't understand why I have to.
You don't have to understand. Just give me the keys.
Okay.
So where are you coming from?
I'm heading home.
Right. You're heading home in North Palm. Where are you coming from?
I was coming from my friend's house in Jupiter.
You've been drinking?
Yes.
Where were you drinking at?
My house.
Your house or your friend's house?
My house. My friend needed help because she was in a dangerous situation.
So you were drinking at home and then went to your friend's house? Jupiter.
No, I was drinking at my friend's house and then I went home and I was heading home.
What are you doing at your friend's house?
Dropping her off. I have 3 children at home.
You go out tonight?
No.
Who were they home with?
No, he's so upset that I can't think her. I didn't even do anything fucking wrong. I am being taken advantage of right now.
No, I disagree.
You disagree?
I disagree.
455-016.
You're in the wrong side of the lanes. What if somebody's coming this way?
I don't want to talk to you.
That's fine. You don't have to.
And I will not.
That's fine.
Can I have your driver's license, please?
Oh, you sure can. But I also know
Okay, good.
you're messing with the wrong one.
Okay.
I just want you to know that.
Are you threatening him?
I'm not threatening him, but I do know people.
That's fine. Everybody knows people. Okay.
I have 3 kids. Just take me home.
That's not an option.
Oh, it's not? Well, it will be.
Who are you calling?
My husband. Because if he's not here, I'm not getting out of the car. You'll have to just take me home. How about Officer Sean? Officer Sean of North Palm Beach?
What about Officer Sean?
Call him.
I'm not calling anybody.
Call him.
He has nothing to do with this.
No?
I'm not going to take you there.
You are. Then where are you going to take me? I have 3 children.
Okay. And they're home safe with your husband, correct?
No, because I can't get a hold of him.
Okay. Well, because he's probably sleeping. Because it's 1:30 in the morning.
Why can't you just take me home with him?
Because that's not how this works.
Because you want to be mean?
No.
He will in a minute.
I don't think that he'd appreciate you calling him at 1:30 in the morning.
Well, I am going home tonight, and I'm not going anywhere other than my house.
Okay.
And you will take me there. Calling my fucking husband. Do not touch me.
Okay.
If you touch me.
Stand in the car. Step out of the car, man. Come on, step out. Get out of the car.
You're gonna harass me?
No, relax, okay? Relax. Go to your phone.
I'm
Please
not.
don't make me
I have the rights to call my husband.
So she's not being cooperative, saying we're going to have to.
Stop tensing up. Stop.
I want you to call my husband right now, though.
Listen,
You called him about
stop.
30 times already.
Stop pulling away. It's not going to get you anywhere to do that. It's only going to make it worse for you.
You're gonna,
Placed under arrest.
you're gonna beat me?
No, we're not beating you. You're in handcuffs.
Everybody
No
here
one's
has
hurt you.
video cameras on their chest.
Yep.
Everything that has occurred from the start to finish is on body camera.
The scene turned into a physical struggle as the uncooperative driver was forced into handcuffs while demanding her husband's intervention. Does refusing to follow orders justify an immediate physical removal from the vehicle?
Can you call my husband right now?
You will call your husband.
Right now.
Nope.
No.
When we get a chance, we will. We have other things to do first. Okay, let's go.
Not right
Let me
now.
explain this to you. Let me explain this to you, okay? You are under arrest.
I didn't do anything.
You are under arrest.
I didn't do anything. I'll do anything you want me to do.
Listen, what we want you to do is do that so that we can get the process moving faster, okay?
Okay, I'll
so
do
listen
that.
to me.
Okay.
Listen
Don't
to me.
take me to jail. I'm so scared. I'll do anything you want me
Go ahead
to.
and put your
Go ahead and put your foot
I'll do anything you want me to.
Okay, well, we want you to put your foot in that shoe. That's what we
I'll
want you
do
to do.
anything you want
Okay,
me to.
then put your foot in the shoe. That's what we want you to do.
Just don't take me to
Put your
jail.
foot in. Alexandra,
Just keep me here. I'll do anything you
you-
want me to, please.
can you stop?
I can stop. Anything you want me
I
to
need
do,
you to take a deep
I'll
breath.
do. I'll do
You're
anything.
hyperventilating yourself.
I'll
Stop
do.
talking.
I'll do anything.
Stop talking.
Anything you want me to
You're
do.
clearly not doing what I want you to do.
Okay. I'm sorry.
I want you to stop talking.
I'm sorry.
I want you to take a deep breath.
Yes, sir.
I want you to get your breathing under control.
Okay.
Because you're hyperventilating.
I'm sorry.
Your demeanor, your attitude in the car has shown me that you are not willing to cooperate.
I wanna
and that
cooperate.
it puts us in danger
I wanna-
because of your demeanor.
I
okay?
want to.
Okay? I know you're scared.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I know you're scared.
Whatever you
Let me
want.
explain this to you. You are under arrest for driving under the influence, okay?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
You're not, listen to me. I'm explaining where we're at right now.
I apologize.
Okay? So we're not going through with the exercises. Okay? A DUI is a traffic misdemeanor.
Yeah.
Did you hit someone?
No.
Hood Road and Central Boulevard.
I want to go through with the exercises.
I'm sorry.
Anything
we
that
are
I can
past that. We are past that. I'm sorry. We are past that. Let me just explain where we're at,
I
okay?
have 3 kids.
I understand that. I understand you have 3 kids. Let me explain this to you. You're not listening. We're in the realm of a traffic misdemeanor. Okay? I need you to calm down and just listen, because we're right now having a conversation. Okay? I don't like the mean Alexandra coming out again.
What's her first name?
Alexandra.
Alexandra?
I want my babies.
We'll see them here in a few hours, okay?
I'm not mean. I just have 3 children.
I understand that, and you will see them. You will see them here in 8 hours, okay?
Did you hear,
That's what it is.
did you hear what Officer Carver just told you?
Did you cause a fatality?
No.
Okay, we're in the realm of a
But I have
traffic.
3
I
children.
want you to listen to me. Okay, you're not in any position to be giving demands. You're in my custody.
I'm not giving
The
demands.
nicer you are to me, the nicer I will be to you. You start
In
acting
what
up
way?
again.
Physically?
You start acting up again, and I won't be so nice. I
What,
won't be
physically?
courteous. Have I been physical with you?
Because you know there's cameras, right?
There's cameras everywhere.
Are you
okay?
gonna beat me?
No.
Where?
You're going to be released on your own recognizance in 8 hours, and you're going to go home. Okay? That's what's going to happen. And you're going to have a
No, I
court
want-
date to come back.
You're gonna call my husband
We will
right
call your
now.
husband.
No, I'm not coming anywhere. I want my husband. I want my husband. You're being physically aggressive with
Well,
me.
you're resisting.
That's why.
I want my husband. I am a nice girl.
Stop. Listen, just listen to me. Stop. Are you going to listen, or are you going to keep crying?
I have 3 kids. I have a
Listen, your kids are safe.
They're not. See?
Following her arrest, the driver was transported to the local precinct where she continued to demand special treatment, citing her alleged connections to law enforcement. These claims did little to help her case, as she refused to provide a breath sample, leading to an automatic suspension of her driver's license for 1 year. The Chevrolet Traverse was impounded, and a subsequent search revealed additional evidence of alcohol consumption within the vehicle. In court, she was formally charged with DUI and resisting an officer without violence, eventually receiving a sentence of 1 year of probation and 50 hours of community service. This incident serves as a clear reminder that claiming to know people in high places will not bypass the legal consequences of driving while impaired. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.